Hey guys, what's up? And I'm here from Ecommerce Nights, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about the things that you should keep in mind while creating a new Shopify store, or if you're new to Dropshipping World, you should keep these things in your mind while tapping in this crowded place, crowded business. So stay tuned. Okay, so if you listen to me carefully, this video is going to save you a lot of time and disappointments as you dive in your dropshipping journey. In order to understand the most important thing that makes your business a success, you should keep this one thing in mind all the time. You should have faith in your business, and you should be patient, and of course you should always learn more. If you write down dropshipping on YouTube right now, you will see hundreds of videos about this business model and thousands of viewers all around the world. Does that mean that dropshipping is oversaturated because everyone is talking about it? No, it's a big no actually. Maybe everyone is doing it if your niche is based on bracelets and necklaces, but that doesn't mean that dropshipping is dead or oversaturated. Sorry guys, I have to mention this niche in every single video I post, but seriously, dropshipping is not easy at all. But here's the good news, it's not that hard. The percentage of successful dropshipping owners is less than 6% of these thousands of viewers. Why? Because most of the time people think that dropshipping is that easy. Like create a Shopify store in half an hour, throw some products even if it's shitty products and don't provide any value to the customer. Now create some Facebook ads and wait for a great return on your investment, which is $5 Facebook ad. And boom, you have a business up and running. Again, no. A big no. This is not the way dropshipping should be. Now let's talk about the things that you should consider while creating a brand new store. I want you to focus on these essential things I'm about to tell you. First, find your niche and your audience. Before thinking about your store name or even creating the store, the logo and this kind of stuff, make sure to laser target your niche. Know your niche and know your audience. Search for your audience using Facebook Ad Manager and search for Instagram influencers pages. Then search for great products that provide e-packet for faster shipping. If you know exactly in what niche you're in and what type of products your store should have, you've already done half of the work. And by the way, I made a 3-part video series all about how to build your store around a specific niche. So go check it out right now if you want to learn more about this topic. Okay, back to number 2. Spy on your competitors. Take ideas from their store, the way they structure it, the kind of categories they have. What about pricing? What about the way they give offers and coupons? Research shouldn't only be on products. Research means that you should be an expert in your niche. Copy what's already working, then develop the idea and go crush it and make some sales. It's that easy. Copy, develop, and publish. Now for number 3, always put yourself in the perspective of the customer. This is super important. Again, always put yourself in the perspective of the customer. I want you to ask yourself after designing your store, is this enough? If I was someone who tapped into this store, am I going to buy things easily? Is everything in the right place? How hard is it to move between products and to find more products based on categories and tags? Always keep in mind that the customer experience is so important to increase conversions. Now for number 4, you should have email marketing. You should consider email marketing in your Shopify store and your dropshipping business. Email marketing is actually where the money is being made. You can always get your customers back for free without paying Facebook, Instagram, or anyone else. Just create great offers, put them on your email and send it to your email list. Do this on a weekly basis. It's the best practice you can have. It's always another way to get more traffic and to drive more sales. And as always, I recommend Market Hero as your main email marketing provider. Market Hero is absolutely the best. Go check them out, link is in the description down below. And finally, number 5, always be patient and learn from your mistakes. Dropshipping is not something magical. It's a continuous learning process. So go search the internet more, ask more, and learn more. So that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date and to hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.